Okay everyone, in this video I'd like to share to all of you about how to make room divider with cushion and bench. Okay, first of all you have to make a basic shape with a rectangle something like this. Okay, you have to make rectangle for the first, then you can push it up with a push pull tool, and you can set the height around 3 meter of tall. And after that you have to make a rectangle like this. You can set the height of this bench for the first. It's around maybe 500, and then you have to make a rectangle in this area, and then you can push it back until it clear right here. So you can clear this unnecessary line anyway, and you can adjust this area. Okay, and then you have to make it group, and you can add rectangle in this area, and you can offset it inside. Okay, and just erase and just erase it, and then you can push it to the front with any width as you want anyway. Okay, then you have to make column. You have to make bar object in this area, and just make it group and just make it component anyway. And then you can move and press Ctrl to the left side position, and then press 30/enter. Okay, so you can get the arrangement, get the automatic arrangement, something like this. Then you can adjust this shape to be double surface, something like this. Then you can set the material in this area, and so you can set this material also. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so you can see the result and then you have to adjust this partition also and set the material, and then you have to make a cushion with a rectangle for the first. You have to make a cushion with a rectangle, and then you have to push it up, okay, for any thickness, and then just make it group, and then you can adjust the shape of the every corner in this cushion, and you can set the curvy with the 2-point arc, and just select this plane, and then just select follow me and just double click it. Then you can select 2-point arc again. You can select the 2-point arc again, and just select the plane and just select follow me again. Then you can select the any material as you want anyway. Sorry, maybe you can see this. Okay, maybe you can use this material or this material anyway. And then you can set the color with the RGB anyway, and then you have to move it to the left for all of this bar, and just select and set the brightness. Okay, it's finished. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial, and wait for my next video. Thank you.